a better job with that. And I hope they improve that suit in the sequel, which I most likely will do. Top slot offers you cash and 7 times multiplier. Alright, which is your favorite Batmobile then, players? Mine is the Tumbler from the Nolan universe. Cash hunt. Let's go, players. And we have a 7 times multiplier from the top slot. Ooh, boy. But all in due time. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's take a look at the wall. Oh, here they are. And now all these values will be increased 7 times. You see that 500x multiplier? That's a 3,500x multiplier right now. That's the maximum value you can win in this round. I wish you good luck, players. Of course, players, you can leave the decision making to the game by letting the timer run out. Or will you hold the wheel? Will you take the gun and aim for yourself to get that 3,500x multiplier? Yes, Rimuro, you did tell us. Even I didn't believe it. Hey, somebody has to win it. Let's go, champ. Let's go, champ. I wish you the aim of Deadshot or a Bullseye or Hawkeye. All right, decision time is over. Let's see your multipliers. Man, look at all these values. So 3,500x multiplied won by 69 players. King, congratulations to you. Well done. Now, in total, we had 8,331 winners in this game. Fantastic result, players. See you back at the wheel. So, Everton Rossi compliments. You're the top winner in this round. Well done. Bets are open.